How to connect DJI Mic 2 with DJI Pocket 3? Yes, you are listening right. We have this microphone. First of all, we're going to start this camera, and after that switch it on the mic, and after that you have to go to the settings of your camera settings, wireless mic T1, and after that hold and press this button for a few seconds until its light starts blinking, and after that press and hold this connect button. Oh, press and hold this button until it starts blinking blue, and after that press and hold this connect button. Oh, it's connected and it's showing you the battery percentage. That's the way how you can connect this microphone with your DJI Pocket 3. Now you can confirm and check out the levels are shown over here. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon, and you succeed in connecting or not. Tell in the video comment section. Like, share, subscribe, hit bell icon for get more videos.